Yeah, this is the road construction at Fruit Haven. I've just been carrying up this crate of plants. I got some like tree tomatoes, grafted black sapote, grafted Ross sapote, water apple, grafted Miami sapote. Yeah, it's a precious little crate. So yeah, I'm just catching my breath. Just over halfway up. Maybe climbed about 100 meters. Just keep going up. There's the trail up to the house. Coming up the driveway now. The grafted plants, the valley. Yep, almost done. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boards left. This is nice floor in our house now. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna sand it and then we're gonna treat it with some linseed oil. Looking pretty good. Shell in the shower over there.